Hello students, there is one announcement for the FI BCom honors scheme for internal assessment, continuous comprehensive assessment, or you can say that internal assessment academic year 23-24. And this announcement is related to the examination scheme. In view of compliance of new education policy 2020, continuous comprehensive assessment of students of Faculty of Commerce with effect from academic year 23-24 shall be carried out in accordance with the following resolved guideline. Now, internal assessment for course carrying 2 credit. AEC, that is Ability Enhancement Course, SEC, Skill Enhancement Course, IKS, Indian Knowledge System, and VAC, Value Added Course, shall be carried out through component one which shall be of objective type test, that is multiple choice questions, consist of 25 questions of 1 mark each in the time duration of 45 minutes. The test shall be carried out in 45 minutes. Maximum time duration is 45 minutes. That means आपको जो कोर्स की क्रेडिट 2 है, जैसे AEC है, SEC है या IKS VAC है, उसका जो क्वेश्चन पेपर होगा उसके टोटल 25 क्वेश्चंस आएंगे और सारे के सारे ऑब्जेक्टिव्स रहेंगे और उसके लिए आपको टाइम ड्यूरेशन दिया जाएगा 45 मिनट्स। बट दूसरे सब्जेक्ट है जैसे इंटरनल असेसमेंट फॉर कोर्स कैरिंग 4 क्रेडिट जिसका मेजर माइनर और मल्टी डिसिप्लिनरी कोर्सेज है, उसको एक फॉलोइंग गाइडलाइन से फॉलो किया जाएगा। Internal assessment of students shall be carried out by Faculty of Commerce, which shall have weightage of 50 marks in each semester. हर एक सेमेस्टर में 50 मार्क होगा, 50 मार्क होगा उसका। Total time duration for internal assessment examination shall be 1 hour and 45 minutes. The internal assessment shall be carried out from the covered courses content from 2 units. यहाँ पे याद रखो दोनों यूनिट में से क्वेश्चन आएगा, यूनिट 1 एंड यूनिट 2. The prescribed internal assessment shall consist of two components, component 1 and component 2. In component 1, again, multiple choice questions consist of 25 questions of 1 mark each will be given to the students. Time duration will be 45 minutes and maximum time limit is also 45 minutes. Component 2 shall be of a descriptive type test of 25 marks, which wherein students shall have internal choice questions from the respective units. Following pattern of question paper style will be followed. मीन्स जो कंपोनेंट 2 होगा उसमें 25 मार्क्स हो गए और उसमें डिस्क्रिप्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस हो गए। जैसे यूनिट 1 में से एक क्वेश्चन होगा और यूनिट 2 में से एक क्वेश्चन होगा। यहाँ पे लिखा गया है, देखो यूनिट 1 1 क्वेश्चन एंड यूनिट 2 1 क्वेश्चन। यूनिट 1 में से जो क्वेश्चन होगा उसका मार्क रहेगा 13 मार्क्स एंड यूनिट 2 में से जो क्वेश्चन आएगा वो 12 मार्क्स का रहेगा। 13 मार्क्स मीन्स एक क्वेश्चन भी हो सकता है, ए बी भी हो सकता है, ए बी सी भी हो सकता है या एक पूरा क्वेश्चन 13 मार्क का भी हो सकता है। सेम इज द पैटर्न फॉर 12 मार्क्स। बट टोटल ड्यूरेशन इसके लिए जो टाइम दिया जाएगा वो 60 मिनट का रहेगा। तो इस तरह से बनेगा 1 hour and 45 minutes. Now this is the timetable declared by the MS University program of mid semester examination first semester academic year 23-24 and date will be Thursday 18th of Jan 2024 and time duration is 1 hour 45 minutes, that is start from 4 p.m. to 5:45 p.m. and first subject is major course fundamentals of accounting and it is AFM 2001 C is a subject code. Now Friday second paper 4 p.m. to 5:45 p.m. major subject major course structure and process of business. Saturday third subject, that is minor course elements of economic theory 4 p.m. to 5:45 p.m. Monday 4 to 5:45 p.m. multidisciplinary course basic statistics for commerce. Now Tuesday and Wednesday there are two paper and time duration is reduced to 45 minutes because it is completely objective type question as discussed earlier. Ability enhancement course, that is developing communication skills in English, and skill enhancement course essential skills for banking. The mid semester examination shall be conducted through offline mode. The students are instructed to refer the website of the university for the purpose of collecting information of the syllabus. I will provide you the MSU website in the description. Now, Indian Knowledge System course mid-semester examination shall be conducted separately. So this is the timetable. Thank you very much for watching my video, and subscribe my channel for more updates of FI BCom